So today we went to this chocolate factory. It's a little artisan chocolate factory, and they're really cool because they roasted the beans. They buy the single origin beans from like. Did you know the beans, the chocolate beans only grow near the equator? It's a pretty specific environment. It's pretty humid, and we learned all about how to make chocolate. You roast the beans, and you crush them into cacao nibs, and then you grind them up, and you temper it, and then you let it ferment, and then you add your sugar. And then you can also make it into things like truffles or bars and stuff like that. And he has like single origin chocolates, and amazing. They're all vegan, the chocolate bars, because it's just 2 ingredients, just the cacao, the chocolate, and the cane sugar. That also comes from Brazil or something like that. And so I was like, oh, what a cool process, you know. And I was thinking back to what my astrologist said. And he said that things that are slow to build are strong to last. And this guy, he originated as a marine biologist, and he got interested in expressing some of his artistic abilities. And so he found a hobby through making different things like coffee and chocolate. And he really loved chocolate because it's so scientific. And then he took all his money in his bank account and opened up a shop after he retired from his marine biologist job. And he owns this coffee shop that shows you everything from his factory, from buying and selecting the beans, the cacao, to roasting it and fermenting it, to grinding it into a fine powder, to tempering it, to adding the sugar and putting it into bars and making it into truffles. And it's such a unique process to see everything from start to finish. And I was thinking how my certified astrologer, he said, things that are slow to build are strong to last. And so my challenge to you is, what areas of your life do you feel like, you know, it's like taking a while to build, but you're building things from the ground up. You're starting with a really strong foundation because you're learning all about the process and how everything works. And then by the time you're ready to be at that stage where, you know, it's considered blossoming or blooming, in this case, you're owning a shop to make chocolate bars, where you feel like you really know everything inside out, you know, because you've started from the beginning. You built that really strong foundation. And it made me think of also, you know, Brendan Burchard. He said that when he started out with his business, he would learn how to do everything, from doing the camera to writing the posts, to the blogs, to how to operate his equipment, to making everything, so that by the time he hired help, he already knew exactly what he needed, and he wasn't doing any extra stuff because he did everything. And I was thinking recently with my coaching practice, I was launching everything from ground up, you know, with the website and the YouTube channel and the blogs and such, and you know, the daily videos. And it's definitely slow to build, strong to last. You know, I'm learning everything from the ground up. And so I was thinking, surely if I'm feeling, you know, how long this is taking and the momentum, you know, and all that stuff, then surely there are other people out there who are also working on stuff that they feel like, gosh, this is taking a while. This is slow to build. But keep in mind, it's going to be strong to last. You know, you're building that valuable foundation so that when you're hiring help, you know, virtual assistants and such, you're going to be in great shape, because you're going to know exactly what services you need and what services you don't need, and you won't be investing any of your money or time into extraneous stuff, because you're like this chocolate guy that has built the chocolate factory from bean to bar, from the beginning to the very end to the finished products, and you're building a really strong foundation. So as you know, I am a soul elevated life coach. I do this for a living. I help others shift their mindset, and I help them have deep, powerful relationships in their lives. And if you're looking to transform your life, you're looking to have strong relationships, you're looking to shift your mindset, you're looking for your soul purpose, what you came here to do, then that's the power of having a coach. will help you find all that and achieve all that, and really perform at an amazing level that you didn't know that you're capable of, because that's the power of having a coach. And that's what I've learned when I hired a coach, and that's what I've studied under a coach, is how to be an incredible coach. And so for this holiday season, I highly encourage you to invest in yourself. Hire a coach. In addition to buying sweaters and candles and lotions and chocolates and such, invest in yourself so that you can really shift your relationships. You can shift your mindset. You can really live a meaningful life with deep, powerful relationships. You go?
Cookies.
Cookies? Cookies? Oh, cracker? Okay.
Cookie.
Oh, cracker? Okay. So I'm going to go get her a cracker. But go visit my website at Soul Elevated Life and check out my YouTube channel and hire a coach this holiday season. Here's to you living a soul elevated life, and happy Thanksgiving tomorrow, and I'll see you tomorrow.